been southbound, I've been hellbound, riding on the midnight train. Going too fast now, think I'll slow down, standing in the pouring rain.
Pretty mean. Giving 3 blind mice energy from.
So we're back in Arkansas hunting at Delta Thunder Outfitters, and this time we almost have the whole Zero Duck 30 group there. We got a couple other friends. We drove straight from Atlanta overnight and got 2 hours of sleep when we got to the lodge. Now it's time to go hunt, and the only natural fix for that is some Dirty Duck coffee to get your morning started. Apparently turkey legs are on the menu at 4 a.m. too.
I found your twin, Drew.
Oh my god. Why is it so perfect?
Especially when Drew's mustache is real long. Yeah.
What do you think, Austin? Pretty excited?
I'm ready to fucking smack some ducks, baby.
It's a lot of ducks, huh?
That's a big duck.
That is a big duck.
That's her widget fly duck.
It's pretty wild to sit there and watch ducks dive bomb the decoys and not be able to do anything about it until legal shooting time.
That's a male.
618.
Shooting line.
It's 618.
Shooting time. Out of that 4 or 5?
Not every morning is like this, even on private land. This is one of those that you're always going to remember, and we couldn't ask for anything more for all the guys to be there to experience Arkansas in its full glory, really. You're probably wondering why we didn't shoot these double-banded GPS tracked gold chain wearing teal, but we didn't want to mess up the spec decoys, so we let them go. These, however, were not so lucky. Mario's a cool guy and a good friend, but he's confused on what brand he should be wearing in this duck blind, so we had to block it out.
Teal.
We got some damn snipers in this thing.
Are you filming yet?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the Grand Refuge, the Frog Tog Grand Refuge baited wildlife area.
Breaking for high right.
I do like to say, oh,
They're doing it
these are
dirty.
coming right in. Hold on, kill these right here.
Those are gonna be mallards.
High too.
Yeah, they did.
So anyway, back to the Beta Wildlife Refuge.
I do like the pockets that they put inside here. I discovered that yesterday. I didn't know they put pockets on the inside.
Oh yeah.
You put your phone, your billfold, all that stuff right here. That's right here at the top. Because I was wondering why they didn't have no pockets like everybody else. But the thing about them waders is when you bend over and you're in deep water, that front pocket on the outside, like everybody else makes, fills up. But they put the pocket on the inside right here.
That's ingenuity at its finest.
And this little nice
It took them engineers 50 years to figure out how to do that.
I'm late. Tristan, I'm taking this motherfucker. Here comes that Drake. Oh, dude.
Morning we come out here, I bet you there was 15,000 teals. Just teal.
This kind of hunt's what it's all about. Cutting up with your buddies in the duck blind, shooting ducks. Sometimes it's not even about shooting ducks, but today it happened to work out that way. And we couldn't be more thankful for the operation that Kade runs at Delta Thunder Outfitters.
Yep.
Hey Drew.
And this is so much fun.
Having a good morning so far?
Yeah, I'm just thrilled to be here, having a blast. Coming from Florida, I mean, I'm fired to promise to get much better than this out here because
Sometimes when you gotta go, you just gotta go.
Man, this is what we do, right? And sometimes we get lucky, man. And for everybody here, for the first time to experience this in Arkansas, it's what a treat. And to see the smiles on everybody's faces is just awesome, man, awesome. So, you know what? If y'all follow us, you know what we're about to do next.